you how to use the coffee machine. Okay.
That's ARU Barista Course, Take 1.
Come on in. Right. This is your little scoopy thing. And what you're going to do is you need to put coffee in it until it's level. So come and watch. With your scoop, fill it up. Fairly full, and then swipe your finger across, getting rid of the excess, until it's flat. At the other end is the tamp thing.
Cardiac tamponade.
Then just pop some pressure on, just not heaps of pressure, but like mid, sort of, until it's flat, as you can see.
Ta-da!
Now we're going to put it inside, so it's going to go at an angle. You can see that my insert, lock. Put it in and turn it, and it's quite stiff. Ready. As you can see, there's two lights. If that light is on, it's not ready. The light is off, so it's ready. We're going to put this cup in underneath any cup and turn it till the coffee comes out. About 30 mils is one shot, which is about there. Next is the milk. Take your cup up, have a look at the crema. Oh, yeah. Here's your milk jug. For a cup about this size, you would probably only need about that much milk in it, not much. Now, what your aim is to do is to get the stick here, so it's just under the top of the surface of the milk, right? And you're going to put your hand on the side and keep it there until it's too hot to touch, and then your milk's ready. So I'll demonstrate it. Lights off, so the water is ready. There we go. And waiting. Takes a little bit, give it a bit. There we go, starting to swirl. You want the milk to swirl and double in size. If you don't want a cappuccino, then put the nozzle towards the bottom of it. It won't froth so much, you just heat the milk up. Still going. As you can hear, it's sounding different. A little. Bit more. Right, I reckon that will do. Turn it off. Yeah. Oops. Ooh. Just pretend that didn't happen. You got a cloth here that's wet. Just make sure you wipe that off because the milk will block it. Turn your steam back on and let it just clean itself out. That's that bit. Now I'm just gonna put it into here just for video, for the sake of the video. So I'm just gonna pop my shot into here. With your milk, you can swirl it around. Round and round and round, give it a bit of a bang, or get the big bubbles out. That's why they do that in the shop. And then pour. If you want it really frothy, pour close. If you want a latte, pour high.
Oh.
You can do some shakes and make a pattern just like me. See my pattern?
That looks like a bit dirty.
Yeah, I can only make
That's very
them.
phallic.
Yeah. Then that part is done. So what you got to remember, guys, is the rest of it. So you got to take this out. And here's your old dirty beans. Rinse that out under some water. Rinse out your milk jug, and then you're done. So.
Mmm.